Hi, Mauro.
Brian, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to our house.
Thank you very much.
We have a nice 1950s cape here.
Look at this kitchen. Doesn't look like the 50s to me.
No, so we've been here about a year and a half. We're the second owners, and as you can see, we put some work into the kitchen, living room, and a few other small projects.
I love everything in this kitchen. The kitchen cabinets, the counter, the white that contrasts with everything that's going on here. Beautiful, gorgeous kitchen. But let's talk about your bathroom.
Yes, so we have a nice avocado green tile on the wall that needs to be updated.
That's vintage.
Yeah, so this is the bathroom. I've already painted the walls. I've updated the hardware on the vanity. So the last thing we have to tackle is the tile.
Okay, you have two options here. By the way, I like the blue. Really nice color for a bathroom. Option one is rip this whole thing apart. Back to the studs. Starting new tiles and everything. But it's gonna cost you a lot of money and a lot of time. Okay, option two, we can paint the tiles.
Okay, so painting is an option. I can paint it a nice white to offset the blue?
Absolutely, I think it's gonna be gorgeous because you have this beautiful blue right there in contrast with the bottom white tiles. Perfect. But only thing we have to do is use the right paint for the tiles and do some preparation before anything.
Awesome.
All right, let's get it done.
Sounds good.
Absolutely, let's do it. Well, we're cleaning this tile with the detergent, so we want to make sure everything is clean before we paint it. First, we're going to tape off the top edges of the tiles. See, Brian, this is what we're doing right now, masking everything. Is part of the 85% of any painting project is preparation. Tape, make sure you mask everything nice and tight.
Important, take your time.
Take your time, because paint goes faster. The preparation is what takes a little longer, but it's worth it. Here's another little trick I can do too, Brian.
Yeah.
Just this little knife here.
Just smooth it out.
Nice and smooth. You make a little very tight edge.
Yeah.
Right there, the paint will not bleed underneath the tape. Then we're gonna tape the sink and the vanity and the toilet with the plastic sheeting. Then we're gonna protect the floor with the flooring paper. Well, we're gonna sand the tiles because we have to rough up the surface a little bit so the paint can get a good adhesion to it. And Brian is gonna do the top edges by hand because we have a curve. It's very tough to get with the machine. All right, Brian, all the preparation is done. And the paint we chose to go on the tile is this one here. It calls epoxy acrylic. Comes in a part A, part B. We're mixing really well. It's tough, it's durable, and also comes in a high gloss. And for application, we're gonna use the brush to cut in, and we're gonna use the 4-inch roller to cover the fields. Because this paint has a strong smell, a strong film, we're gonna have to use a respirator. All right?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, let's go. Let's go for it. Well, Brian, look at this bathroom. What do you think?
It looks amazing.
I love it. Love it blue, love the white. It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, anyways, second coat's done, but I want you to wait at least 24 hours so this paint really cures, and then you can take on this bathroom.
Sounds
All right?
good.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
enjoy this bathroom. Well, if you have any question about your house, I would love to hear from you. Just keep them coming. And until then, I'm Mauro Henrique for Ask This Old House.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.